Hello everyone. Today we're going to do another video based on Transmission Control Protocol (TCP). It is a brief insight by Organ Adelbola on Colo, which is a research paper done by him. So it will be presented by me, Aisha Tanvir. Let's get started. Introduction to TCP. Definition. TCP is a core protocol in the Internet Protocol suite, providing full transport layer services to applications. Role. It is a connection-oriented protocol responsible for reliable communication and data sequencing. Transport layer protocols includes both TCP connection-oriented and UDP connectionless, with TCP ensuring reliable data transmissions. Characteristics of TCP. Connection-oriented. TCP establishes a reliable connection to a three-way handshake before data transmission. Reliable. Ensures data delivery by issuing acknowledgements and retransmission for lost or corrupted data. In sequence. Guarantees that data arrives in the same order it was sent, preventing out-of-order packets. Byte stream oriented. Data is treated as a continuous stream regardless of how it is transmitted over the network. Full duplex supports simultaneously two-way communication, allowing data to be sent and received at the same time. TCP service model. Sockets. TCP connections are established using sockets, which are combined an IP address and a port number. Port numbers. Well-known ports 0 to 1023 reserved for standard service like HTTP port 18 and FTP port 21. Inferior ports 1024 to 49151 dynamically assigned for client connections. Full duplex and point-to-point, TCP allows bidirectional communication, ensuring each connection has exactly two endpoints, without support for broadcasting or multicasting. TCP segment structure. Segment components. Source and destination port. Identifying sending and receiving application. Sequence and acknowledgement numbers. It tracks data in order and confirms receipt. Control flags. Indicates segment's purpose. For example, SYN, ACK, and FIN. Window size. Controls data flow to prevent buffer overflow. Checksum. Ensures data integrity through error checking. Role of segments. Data is transmitted in segments, which are reassembled in the correct order at a destination. Here is a TCP segment format. As you can see, the structure from data header to all of the other. Connection establishment and termination. Four-way handshake. Connection termination. Either side can initiate termination using the FIN and ACK flags, ensuring an orderly connection close. This is a three-way handshake connection establishment. The SYN, the client requests a connection. The SYN to ACK, the server acknowledges and agrees to establish a connection. ACK, the client confirms and the data transmission begins. Flow control and congestion control. Flow control. Managed through the sliding window protocol, which adjusts the sender's data rate based on receiver's buffer availability. Congestion control. TCP controls network congestion by adjusting the congestion window size. As congestion increases, TCP reduces the window size to avoid network overload, preventing packet loss due to excessive traffic. This is a sender buffer and sliding window protocol. Error control. Error detection. Achieved using checksums, acknowledgements, and timeouts. The error correction is done by the TCP resends the segment if an acknowledgement is not received within a specified timeout. Duplicate and out-of-order segments. TCP discards, duplicates, and stores out-of-order segments until all preceding segments arrive, ensuring data integrity and sequence. This is a corrupted segment, the first figure. The second figure is the lost segment, and the third figure is a loss acknowledgement. Implementation of TCP in Java. Optional space permits. The service code demonstrates setting up a basic TCP server using Java. Client code shows a simple TCP client to connect and exchange data with the server. Example use practical illustration of how TCP connection oriented nature is implemented in real world applications. In conclusion, the summary of this research paper is that the TCP is a fundamental to reliable data transmission over the internet, offering features like error control, flow control, and connection management. Importance in networking ensures data integrity, order, and delivery in a connection oriented manner. Further reading encourage exploring deeper into TCP for a better understanding of Internet and network protocol. Thank you for watching.